Well, they were warned that this day would come. Today, Spokane Public Schools kept its promise to pull students from class who aren't compliant with Washington's vaccination laws. That law either show proof that your child is up to date on their shots or complete a waiver that says why they are exempt. As of last night, there were nearly 1,000 students in the district who either didn't have the necessary paperwork on file, but by 3:30 this afternoon, that number had dropped to 551 students out of compliance. KXOI4 working for you with in-depth coverage of this major policy decision. We begin tonight with Allie Norton.
Jim Young didn't imagine his Monday would start like this, taking his son to get vaccines that he thought he already had.
Yeah, I got a call saying that they haven't got the records yet.
The school informed him that Jonathan wasn't up with all his shots, so they pulled him from class. Young had to leave work to come pick him up.
And I showed up and they said if I come down here, it can be done. So I said, fine.
He's one of the many parents who were directed to this vaccine clinic at Rogers High School today, put on by the health district.
I just really want to applaud Spokane Public Schools for taking a stand and enforcing the Washington state immunization law.
Spokane Public Schools notified parents repeatedly. If their student wasn't compliant with Washington's vaccine law by today, they couldn't be at school. No one is forced to get vaccines. Parents can also sign a waiver saying they'd like their child to be exempt.
I've been actually notified for the last couple months. I just had a problem getting him anywhere with my medical or anything.
Bastina Vaughn says her problem was the vaccine her son needed wasn't available.
He had the chickenpox shots.
Other parents just didn't have proof or were running behind on the shots. A problem that Young found easily resolved by going to today's clinic.
Super easy, yeah, it's wonderful. It was great.
Now, there are free vaccine clinics all this week at different high schools. The next one is tomorrow at Ferris from 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And we have a list of the other clinics this week as well. Just go to KXOI.com. We also have that waiver there, too, for those who want to opt out of vaccinations.